Tonight's gig is actually very exciting because it's my very first time playing inside Barcelona and the first time playing here at Jamboree. I've heard about the club for many, many years. The first person that told me about the club was Jorge Rossi, whom I used to play with once in a while and just hang out with in New York City years ago, 15 years ago. And I had looked forward to coming here and playing. Beyond the crowd, above the world, we're not too proud to cling together. My music is very much inspired by life, love, and communication between peoples all over the world. I travel quite a lot and just see the interaction between cultures and societies. Starless night, we're not in vain, for we're together. What is there to fear when we're together? I remember when I went to make my very first CD, I really thought about it a lot to think, okay, what am I going to put on this? And one of the things that I said to myself was that anything that I record or even perform live has to be something that I completely believe